love yours. No such thing. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. No such thing as a life that's better than yours. Love yours.
Hey Luxx babes, I'm Mimi. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I like to curl with a flat iron. So I started off by sectioning the hair in 2 sections, and after that I started on the left side and I did a subsection. That way we can have nice sections as we curl. Also, I do want to mention that this was a sew-in maintenance, so the hair already have slight layers in it, and we already did everything but the curls off camera. So when I curl, I do like to use this Sebastian holding spray. It gives me a great bouncy hold. I like to spray this and then comb it out, then go in with my irons and do what I do. So I did use the BaBylissPRO or the BaBylissPRO 1 1/4 inch straightener. I love this for straightening and for curls because you get flawless results. So I went in and I curled, slightly turned, and pulled the hair away from the face. Make sure you always want away from the face, even when you're on the right side, because we're on the left side now. So even when you're on the right side, curl away from the face. But while we're doing the left side, we're curling away. You want to turn and clamp, and make sure you're being super careful because you don't want to burn your hand or you don't want to let the clamp go. And hold it and then pin it up with that pin curl. And now we're on to our next section. We're just spraying that Sebastian spray again, and we are turning and allowing the curl to go away from the face. Yep, and now you just want to clamp and turn, clamp and turn. Yes, look, babes, it's super easy. Make sure you're taking your time and you going with the flow. Also, it is okay to take small sections. Make sure that you're taking small sections because in this particular section, as you guys seeing me curl, I should have split this into 2 sections, but I didn't because my curler is kind of big. But if you have to split your section in 2 sections, do that. Do what works for you. But I should have did that, but I am now curling away from the face, and I'm just clamping and I'm turning, clamping and I'm turning. With this particular curl, you see what I mean when I say away from the face. Like the hair, we taking the hair away from the face, and it's going opposite. Clipping it, turning it, hair away from the face. The hair is literally away from the face. Turn away from the face. Yes, and then like you see how we just dropped it, and like the curl is just like away from the face. Like it's almost like it's like a layered bang. Now that we at the top, I do want to give you guys a little bonus tip. When you are doing the natural hair and the hair extension, you want to make sure that you are curling the natural hair and the hair extensions together at the same time, away from the face. I'm turning it away from the face. Yes, perfect. As you can see, when we drop it, you can kind of see the effect of the away from the face. You just want to clip it. As we proceed to the right side, now you're going to curl away from the face on the right side. As you can see now, we're curling away from the face. And we're just flipping the hair on the opposite side as the left side. Because remember, we're on the right side. So we just making sure we clamp and turn, clamp and turn. Hold it for 5 seconds, 5 to 10 seconds. Drop, and we clip it up. With this section, as you do sections that have leave out, make sure you are curling the natural hair as well, so the curls can align with the leave out. And you won't have the leave out going a certain direction, and you won't have the hair extensions go a certain direction, if you understand what I mean. Like, if you can see, I like grab the leave out and I made sure I combed it into the section so it can be with the hair extensions. Like I was just saying about the previous section, just make sure you comb out all of the natural hair with the hair extensions so it can align with a curl and both curls can just look on point. And yes, you want to make sure that you're grabbing all of the natural hair and you're curling it away from the face. You see, the curl's going away. We're clamping and turning away from the face. We're all done with the curls, and if you decide to do pins in your curls, this is how they should look. Some of them are out of place a little, but you get the picture and you see how nice and neat the leave out is and how nice and neat it is, just flowing and going into the sew-in. This look is just like her hair. It's super natural, and now we're just taking the pins down, and look how bouncy and flowy the curls are looking. Like, it looks super good, and I'm gonna get y'all a better angle when I curl them out. When I comb them out, sorry. Look at the body, look at the layers. The hair is definitely giving. It looks super natural. It looks so cute. Like, the curl is giving body, okay? Like, look at the layers. Yes. Let me know how your curls turn out if you decide to try my method. Make sure you let me know. And this is the finishing results. I love it. Comment some green hearts in the comments if you're feeling this video, and let me know in the comments what type content you're looking forward to seeing, because I definitely look forward to showing you guys more tutorials and just doing more videos, period. Thank you for watching, Luxx babes. Always make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. See you in my next video.